We treat each and every threat that we receive like this seriously. Titignan po natin ito. But ito nga sana ma-realize nung mga, if this is just a prank or this is something to gain attention, this waste ng government resources po ito na better use for other things, di ba? Kagaya po ng ating mga pulis, pupunta dyan, mag-iimbestiga, na kung sana ay nakakalat na natin sa kalsada at nagpa-follow up na po ng mga ibang kaso. But again, lahat po ng threats na ganyan, of course, we treat this seriously and hindi natin dinidiscount. And we will check into it. Rest assured that we will be doing everything to trace these people. And konting warning na lang po for those who are yung mga gumagawa ng mga ganitong threats. We will find you. We will be able to trace you and we will file the necessary charges or we will do all the legal actions available to us laban po sa inyo. Ang nakakalungkot po dito ay yung fear and yung anxiety na nakikreate nito sa public. So, we are appealing na tigilan na po natin itong mga ganitong gawain na yun na, napag-usapan natin doon. Sometimes ang mga reason nila is as shallow as dahil hindi nakapag-aral, para walang exam, para hindi pumasok. So, let's stop doing this. Ang inyo pong Philippine National Police ay nakabantay at handa every time